Looking for a good pool company? Then look no further. Contact our friendly and supportive team and find out more about our amazing services tailored to meet your specific needs. Our team of tried and tested expert professionals are always available, ensuring you only get the best possible services. Our staff is waiting to hear from you and answer all the questions you may have about how we can serve you today. Contact us now and let us show you our top-notch standards and commitment. Your satisfaction is our prime concern, so please contact us and let us show you all the amazing options we have for you.